Okay guys, so we're hot off the heels of our friend Dave Hayes' event last weekend, the private track rental, and him and I are actually out at Toronto Motorsports Park now. So we are going to do a few passes with the Trackhawk and with the Demon. We've got his Demon kind of all set up today. We took some weight out of it and switched to the Mickey Thompson ET Street R's. And yeah, let's see how this goes. So first pass at Toronto Motorsports Park in our Trackhawk. So right now I just checked the DA, it's around 1900, 2000 feet. I think it was 1975, something like that. So we will see how this goes. Got our buddy Dave ahead of us here in the Demon, so we'll see what he gets out of it. That felt good. Launched pretty hard there. Track prep seems good. No spin. That was about 2,000 RPM off the foot brake. We might give the launch control a little go here next run. Thank you.
You're welcome.
11,933, 114.54. We'll go get her in the pit and let her cool down a little bit, but there's a slip there. 175, 60 foot, so I've 60 footed this thing harder. We're hoping to break that 11.9 barrier today. The best so far in this thing is an 11.900, and it's definitely got more in it, so let's see what we can do. Okay guys, so pretty happy with that last run for the first run of the night. I'm gonna go back and try launch control actually on this will pass and see what happens. So we'll give that a go. Dave ran a 1028 in the Demon, and he's gonna bump up his RPM on launch here on the launch control because he dead hooked. So hopefully we're both gonna get some really good numbers tonight. 1031, 133 for Dave. Oh yeah! Woo! Little bit of spin coming off the launch control, but she left pretty hard. 3.90 to 60 on that one, 3.8 off the foot brake last time, so we'll play around back and forth. That was 1,800. Might bump the launch control up to 2 grand. 2 grand on the next one. Thank you.
You're welcome.
No way. 11,933, exact same as the last run. That's too funny. We got this 11.9 barrier. This thing went 11.900 last weekend in Grand Bend. The fastest we got out of the 1320 was an 11.931, I believe. Might have been an 11.921. So I've got this 11.9 wall. I gotta get past it, so we'll see what we can do. Okay guys, here we go up for run number 3. The first 2 runs, identical ET, 11.933, mile an hour was off by about half a mile an hour. So I gave it some time, let it cool down a little bit. The intercooler coolant temp is still hovering around 40 degrees, so it's still hot, but we're gonna see if we can finally punch this thing into the 11.8s. We're gonna make I'm gonna make one more pass here, and then Dave and I are gonna switch cars. He's gonna take the Trackhawk for a pass. I'm gonna take the Demon for a pass. So let's see how she goes. Okay, so for run 3 here, I'm gonna use the launch control again. Last time I went at 1700 RPM. I bumped it up 400 RPM to 2100. We'll see if that helps or hurts. If that doesn't help, on the next run I'm gonna go back to the foot brake. So we'll see how this goes. Looks like it's you and me, buddy.
Beautiful.
We're actually going to be running against our buddy Dave and his Demon here, so I should thoroughly get my ass kicked. Got it back in custom mode, everything on track with the paddles off and the suspension in street. Launch control, 2100 RPM. We'll see what happens. See if we can see a big burnout from Dave here. Love that thing. The supercharger wine on that thing is killer.
That's got the...
Oh yeah! Dave's on a pass! I forgot to get the thing on the launch control. My reaction time was horrible. Last minute bumped it up there, so might not have been a very good run actually. Thank you. There we go. Oh yeah, 11,870, 114.36. Dave ran at 10,287, 133.88. Good runs for both of us. We're both going to be real happy with that. Finally broke that 1190 wall. Here we go. Okay guys, so Dave and I are swapping cars. I'm going to take his Demon. So my best last weekend at Dave's Demon was an 1141. Now we've got some weight taken out of it. We've got the ET Streets on. He said it's hooking like a banshee, so I'm going to probably foot brake her to around 2 grand and just let it fly. We'll see what happens here. And once again, big thanks to Dave for letting me take his Demon for a pass. That's awesome. A lot of people don't get the opportunity to do that, so I really appreciate it. So, really good guy. Make sure you guys show him some love. So we're just out here having a little bit of fun before my 4 or 5 day drive back to Vancouver tomorrow. So checking out Toronto Motorsports Park. It's a really nice facility. Dave's been nice enough to take me under his wing and show me around the last couple days, so it's been a good trip. I do, yeah. I'm gonna do a Facebook, I'm gonna do a live YouTube thing from in the car. Pre-staged. Staged. 2 grand, and we go! Woo! Woo-hoo-hoo! Man, this car is awesome! Oh, this thing is unfrickin' believable. I hope all you guys get to experience one of these things. I spun pretty bad, but we'll see. Thank you. At 1072 at 132. 1072 at 132, so not a great pass. I spun pretty bad, but oh man, the power of these these things is just unbelievable.
I love it when a Trackhawk can beat a Mustang. But I red lighted it just like the other guy. That was a lot better. It works awesome. This thing is awesome. For what it is awesome.
Alright guys, so we're back at Dave's Demon going for run 2. This time I'm going to use the launch control. Spun pretty bad on the last one there, so gonna do this one more pass in his car, then we're gonna swap back because I'm gonna look to get that Trackhawk a little quicker than the 11.870, and I know Dave's looking for a 9 out of this thing tonight, so hopefully we can both achieve our goals. Okay, here we go. Launch control. Spun a little bit. And then hooked like a banshee. Thank you. 10.8. Nope. Not doing as good as Grand Bend, but that's all right. Still an awesome experience. Gonna hand the keys back to Dave.